Now that you have installed and configured the PIP2010 30-day trial version on your computer, you will want to add user accounts and program your firm information into the system. Let's start by entering your firm information. After opening the PIP2010, navigate to the Preferences module and click on the Firm Info tab. Firm information on this screen is used throughout the PIP2010 program. You will note that firm information appears on virtually all printed reports and is also used in merge codes and documents produced by the form generator. To change the information in the firm information fields on this screen, click into any of the fields with your mouse. After clicking into the field, the data can be modified in one of two ways. One, use the backspace key to delete one or more individual text characters, after which you can type your own text. Or two, highlight the entire block of text with your mouse, use the delete key to erase the text, and then type in your firm information. Use the same process for each of the firm information fields that you wish to change. Please note, you cannot use the Tab key to navigate between fields. You must click into each individual field using your mouse in order to change the text. Also note that the changes in your firm information will not take effect until you shut down and restart the PIP2010 program. And finally, for firms that have purchased the PIP2010 system, please be advised that all changes in firm information must be made by a Hypersoft representative. Next, let's navigate to the Staff Info tab to enter user accounts for all the staff members in your firm. To add an account for a staff member, click on the Add New Staff Member button at the bottom left of your screen. You will be presented with the Add Edit dialog box. Enter the first name, last name, and initials for the staff member, and then click the Save button. To add more details about the staff member, click on their name in the name list on the left side of the screen. You will notice that the fields on the right side of the screen can be used to enter more information. While you do not have to fill out every field for the staff member, the following fields are very important. Billing rate is used in the Time and Billing module for the purpose of creating billing statements. If you do not enter a billing rate, then you will have to enter a billing rate manually when creating billing slips. The signature fields are used by the form generator on your letters and pleadings. The signature block field should contain text such as "Sincerely" or "Very truly yours." Be sure and include the punctuation as well. You will also need to include the file path to the PIP library folder. Setting the path to the PIP library folder is required to use the PIP2010 with your word processor. For complete instructions on how to set the path to the PIP library folder, see the video entitled Form Generator Configure for Windows or Form Generator Configure for Macintosh, depending on the operating system that you are using. You can also set the password for a particular user from this screen. In order to set the password, you must be logged into the PIP2010 as the active user for that user account. To become the active user, simply shut down the PIP2010 program and open the program again, this time selecting the user account that you want from the pull-down menu in the Login dialog box. For new user accounts, the password is always initially set to be blank. Navigate back to the Staff Info tab and then select the account for the active user. Click on the Change button to the right of the username field. You will be presented with the Password Administration dialog box. You can enter or change the password here and click Save to store the password. When you are finished entering the user accounts for you and your staff, navigate to the Case Details screen. Click in the Attorney or Paralegal fields and you will notice that the initials for the users you just entered appear in the pull-down lists. You will also see the user's initials in pull-down lists in many other parts of the program, including the file notes, billing slips, and calendar filters.